Hello and welcome to another video with me, Esther from Gather and Create. Today we're going to be making a card for the boys from the True Gentleman suite. It has gorgeous papers in it. It has button embellishments, a punch called the Tailored Tag Punch. Punches are always a big fave. We have gorgeous velvet ribbon. And it's just very masculine, but also with a little bit of fun, I think, to it. Wishing you a dapper day is one of the sentiments. We've got "You're a fox," Dad, looking sharp. So it's good for all those cards for the men in your life, including birthdays and Father's Day, or I think Valentine's would be nice with this "You're a fox" sentiment on there. This is the card I'm going to be making today. It's on crumb cake and I've used Night of Navy ink, so we've literally only got one colour cardstock and one colour ink on there. So we've also got some of the ribbon and some of the paper, and I've used the punch also. So to get started, you'll need a piece of crumb cake, A4, which we're going to cut in half, a 14.9. I'm sorry if you can hear a really annoying noise in the background. Someone in one of my neighbours in the garden is doing something a bit strange. I don't know what. It's probably some normal piece of machinery, but it's very drony. And score at 10.5 centimetres. Then we need I'll show you actually the papers. So these are the two that I've used on today's project, and that's their reverse. Love that. It's very sophisticated, isn't it? That's dog tooth. That's the reverse of that. Get some pipes. Oh, and moustaches. A lovely pattern there. And then bow ties and stripes. So you can see that they're all really nice colours in there. Right, so I wanted those, didn't I, for a little strip of paper each. So the paper with the specks on it, I cut at 2 centimetres wide. And then the paper with the pattern pieces at 1 centimetre. And they were 12 centimetres wide. I'll put all this on the blog anyway. The link will be in the description. 12 centimetres wide for that one, and then 8.5 centimetres wide on this one. Those to one side. Right, I've just lost my example, so I know where I'm up to. Okay, so I've done the card base and I've done the strips, and I think we'll do our stamping next. And so we've got crumb cake for that, and this piece is 7 centimetres wide, and we're going to use that as a scrap for the punched part as well. I think we'll just do the sentiment first. The first part of the sentiment is going to be directly onto our card. Using the Stampin' Up markers, because as you can see, the sentiment is actually all in one, but the way I wanted to do it, I wanted the sentiment, the bottom part separate. using these Stampin' Up markers is perfect for that, because you can mix and match your sentiments without actually having to cut your stamps apart. Some people do that. I can't do it. Right, and then a puff, which just re-moistens your ink. And then we're going to add that on. And then like that. See, so you just get that. And then I'm going to clean it up so that I can use a quick baby wipe on there, because I was using a Stampin' Scrub earlier. But I must have used a really dark colour on it, because I need to actually clean my Stampin' Scrub. Then I don't want any sort of pink residue on there. Do always use a Stampin' Scrub, because that will, with the Stampin' Mist, will condition your stamps and will keep them in tip-top condition. If you're out and about and you are just using a baby wipe, still come home and use a Stampin' Scrub, because the baby wipes will leave little fibres there on your stamp, and you don't want that. So I'm actually going to not worry too much about masking that off this time. Because I can just cut that piece off, which I'll do now, and I will actually close my ink so I don't splodge everywhere. So I'm just going to literally trim. Actually done that a little bit high up. Might just stamp that again. Let's stamp again. And I will actually do that, because I didn't want the line in it. And I wasn't lazy last time when I made the sample. And I won't, let's not be lazy this time. I'll actually do it with the pen again. Okay, just make sure it's dry. So, going over again. Now I know I didn't do it that way the first time. Puff. Huff and a puff. There we go. That will be better. Either way would work, probably, especially if you cut it where you want it. Okay. I'm still a bit high up. I might just trim a little bit. Where my snips are. Where my snips be. Okay, little trim. Right. Okay. The next thing I want to do is stamp my greeting, and it says looking sharp. And I'll take it from this end. And that's just a light of navy. And then I need my punch. Next thing is we just need to glue our layers on. First thing I actually want to do is put my ribbon around that, because that goes on before it's glued down. You don't need much, but you don't want so little that you can't actually manoeuvre it. And when I tie that together with linen thread, which should be a lot of fun on camera. Do you think it's going to be my friend? Who knows? So I can even those up in a minute. This is when you turn all fingers and thumbs, isn't it? Right, here we go. Here goes nothing, people. Here goes nothing. Can't actually see. There we go. Right, so far so good. I can breathe again now. My bow's done. On camera and everything. So, next we need some glue. Using Tombow. And we'll pop that there. Is everyone okay with the noise? Oh, I'm splotched a bit there, but I can sort that. And then our strip. It's going to go there. Sentiment. Going to use dimensionals on. Do for dimensionals so that you're not watching me put dimensionals on. I'm usually trying to avoid all that malarkey for my videos. Oh, seem to have a little funny edge there though. Right. Just not sticking that down properly yet because I haven't put this bit on. There. How can you lose your dimensionals when they're right next to you? I just assume, you see, that the stuff isn't next to me. Right. Okay, that's our last element. Looking sharp. Who do you know in your life that's looking sharp? If they can get this, you can give them this even. Right, and there we are, there we have it, a nice masculine but very on trend card. I hope you enjoyed it. Do hit the like button and check out the blog for all the measurements. Thanks for watching, bye for now.